डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है अब। आर्यभट्ट वॉज एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी टीचर एंड स्कॉलर हु हैड immense knowledge about mathematics and astronomy. He suggested the heliocentric theory, which proved that the sun is located in the center of the solar system and all the planets revolve around it. In fact, he made this discovery way before Copernicus made this discovery. In the West, Aryabhatta was born in Kerala and lived from 476 AD to 550 AD. He completed his education from the ancient University of Nalanda and later he moved to Bihar and continued his studies in the great center of learning located in close proximity to Kusumapura in Bihar. And lived in Targana, Targana district in Bihar in the late 5th and early 6th century. The astronomical calculations and deductions suggested why Aryabhatta are extraordinary, why the fact that he did not have any modern equipment or instrument to do it. He had a very sharp brain and his dedication and hard work led him to solve the various mysteries of the solar system. He also deduced that the earth is round in shape and rotates along its own axis, which forms the existence of day and night. Many superstitious beliefs were challenged by him, and he presented scientific reasons to prove them wrong. He also said that the moon has no light and shines because it reflects light from the sun. He also proved wrong the false belief that eclipse, eclipse is caused of shadows formed by the earth and the moon. Aryabhatta used happy cycles in a similar manner to the Greek philosophy philosopher Ptolemy to illustrate the inconsistent movement of the some planets. This great astronomer wrote the famous treatise Aryabhat, which was based on astronomy in 499 AD. This treatise was acknowledged, acknowledged as a masterpiece in honor of this excellent work. Aryabhatta was made head of the Nalanda University by the Gupta ruler Buddhagupta. Aryabhatta is a treatise that includes various facts related to Hindus, mathematics, and astronomy that appeared during those times. The treatise comprises of four chapters that are concerned with sine, tables, and astronomical constants. It also comprises of ruler to calculate the longitude of the planets y utilizing epicycles and eccentrics, and also the ruler related to trigonometry and calculations of eclipses. There is a Janita section in Aryabhatta which include various innovate methods for calculating the length of the chords of circles y using the half method. Unlike the Greeks who used the full chord method, Aryabhatta is among the mathematics who brought who new deductions and theories in mathematics and astronomy. He his contribution to the mathematics cannot be ignored as he was the one who deducted the approximate value of pi and correct formulas for calculating the areas of triangles and circle. Full stop.